So here it is, finally printed, and it actually looks pretty good. Most of the detail came in pretty well, and it's surprisingly larger than I thought it would be. You can see here how well the struts on his leg printed out, the small details, and the color all came in very well. Even the little nurnies on his leg, the small little bits of detail came in really well. His eyes printed beautifully, and even the small panel cuts in his head around his eyes came in really well. His arm, recessed arm, came in really nice, and you can even see some of the detail in the little components, and all that material we didn't have to print. And you can see here, see the little striations? That's how it printed out, and it built it up on layers. It did a really nice job. There was very little color bleeding from different colors, except from the orange to yellow. You could see that yellow should be brighter on his head, but still it's pretty good. Even that little detail there, that little blue power socket, came in nicely. Yeah, even those little, all that little detail, that's really impressive. Their printers did a really nice job capturing all that. Now the texture of this is, it feels, it's kind of got a rough, almost sandy-like feel. It's a little heavy, but it's pretty strong. But it's definitely not something you can bang around. It's really meant to be just looked at. It's a figurine, really. It's not like plastic. If you kept holding it and if you dropped it, you'd probably break the legs. So definitely something worth doing, and I hope you guys send yours off to print, and I hope it comes out as well as this. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.